The PowerDrive 2000 watts to 3000 watts Power Inverter Install Kit includes heavy-duty 2-gauge AWG power wires for DC to AC power inverters. Includes ring terminals, battery terminals, already installed, as well as a chassis ground for the inverter to reduce noise. Make sure to always install a fused link or circuit breaker in any inverter installation. The cable gauge included in this power inverter wiring kit is recommended for inverters up to 3000 watts. Install kit designed for power inverters up to 3000 watts. Extra heavy-duty 0-gauge cable. Kit includes 72 0-gauge red power cable / Li greater than 36 4-gauge black ground cable. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality and resistance. Easy to install and real size to installation of my inverter in my Freightliner truck fron rear battery.